Contextual clues. Context clues are hints found within a sentence, paragraph, or passage that a reader can use to understand the meanings of a new, unfamiliar word. Definition or description. The new term may be formally defined and sufficient explanation may be given within the sentence or in the following sentence. Clues to definition include that is, commas, dashes, and parentheses. Example. Sometimes when a reader finds new words, an example might be found nearby that helps explain its meaning. Words like including, such as, and for example, points out the example to the
The third one is synonym. The reader may discover the meaning of an unknown word because it repeats an idea expressed in familiar words nearby. Synonyms are words with the same meaning. Antonym. A word or a group of words that has the opposite meaning reveals the meaning of an unknown term. Although some men are loquacious, others hardly talk at all. The fifth one is cause and effect. The author explains the reason for the result of the word. Words like because, since, therefore, thus, so, etc. may signal content clues. Comparison and contrast. Comparison clues are the words and phrases that have the same or similar meaning as an unfamiliar word. Words and phrases such as like, as, and in the same way often signal comparisons. Contrast clues. With contrast clues, you use the opposite of known information to figure out the meaning of an unknown word. Connecting words like however, yet, on the other hand, instead of, but, while, and although are used to show that the meaning are opposite. The last one is appositive. An appositive is a word or a phrase that defines or explains an unfamiliar word that comes before it.
Thanks for watching.